Friends, request you to subscribe my YouTube channel Express Naukri. Wabag shall be a professionally managed Indian multinational having market leadership in water business. The Wabag Group, with its international presence in India, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, Europe and Latin America, has a workforce of over 2,000 water professionals and is represented via companies and offices in 25 Jor countries. The Wabag Group is looking for the suitable profiles for the mentioned positions from ETP, STP, TTRO background, so let's start discussing. 1. Project Site HR and IR for Ghaziabad location. 2. Process Engineer for ETP, STP or TTRO Operation and Maintenance, TST and Commissioning. 3. Electrical Engineer for TST and Commissioning. 4. Senior Engineer Mechanical for TST and Commissioning. 5. Plant in charge for ETP, STP and TTRO Operation and Maintenance. 6. Shift in charge for ETP, STP and TTRO Operation and Maintenance. 7. Chemist. 8. Electrical Engineer Operation and Maintenance. 9. Mechanical Engineer Operation and Maintenance. Kindly note that all the positions are for Western Uttar Pradesh and Punjab locations. So if you are interested and your profile is matching with requirement in these openings, then share your profiles on given email ID. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, and if you are new on channel Express Naukri, request you to subscribe the channel. Thank you.